Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna make a cluster belly band. This is the belly band, and you take your page, you put it on, and you can slice whatever you want under. So let's make one. How you doing? Have you done anything interesting this week? So let me show you because I think I have everything cut and pen stitched. I think I missed one. I need to have another one, and I can see it here is hiding from me. So what I did, I used this. This is part of my series playing with die cuts. I took 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I cut 3 sets of each. And these are the same amount of circles that I used here. You can do this with punch if you have more than one size, or you can do it with the die cut, or you can do it with glasses cup, the bottom of the high glass. So let's start with the center. And so this is a piece of 1 inch by 11.5, but we know that we don't have any journal that is going to be 11.5, so we're gonna cut it on 8.25, because usually the pages, let me see, I have one here that I'm gonna make. Oh, come on. How big is my page? 8. Oh, I'm gonna do a 7. Actually, sorry. I'm gonna do it 7 3/4. And I'm telling you why. Because if it's too long, you will not have, once all the circles are on, you will not have the way to cut a piece. It won't be nice. So let's see, let's put this one, the biggest, on this side, this one here, this one here, and the little ones here. So I said that I did pen stitching because what I did was, instead to go to my sewing machine, I don't like to use it for paper, I used the pen and I went around doing fake stitches. So they are pen stitches. And let's see how we're gonna start it. We're gonna start it here, maybe one here, one here. Okay, so I glued, there is no one time, even with the pin inside, always find a way to get clogged. So let's, okay, it's done. So what I like to do is I like to start by putting the corners and see where I'm going with that. Okay, so let's put a big one here, and we can put another, we can put one of this here, another big here, we can put this one here. I will put this one here because it's a dragonfly and I love it. And let's see, oh, I have another one here, then we can put it here. We have the little one. I have to spread it a little bit more. Okay. Let me see if I can. Yes. I'm gonna put it a little bit down because it's too close to the other one. Now we're gonna put this one. And remember, you can do this with any kind of paper, okay? You don't need anything special, any special design or anything, because it's just going to be perfect. Okay. Wait, I don't want to put it upside down. And this one is going to get here. Okay, so let's see what is not. This one is not attached, so we're going to attach this one. We're gonna put it here. And don't worry, at the end, let me do this. At the end, like in this case, let me see what else is loose in here. So it's what I did with this. I went with my scissors and I round the end of my belly band. Now I said belly band because I love to do crazy things with belly bands. But this one is a beautiful cluster, so it can be used as for the front cover. You can use this one for the front cover too. I can put this one here. and this one here. Okay, let me put this one on top over there. That's the first one here. Okay. Okay, we can put this one here. We have an extra one here. It's not extra. It's not extra. Don't get scared. We can put this one there. So to put it here, I need to glue it from the back. So one here and one here. And this one, we can put it here or here. No, I think I want to put it here. Okay, oops. Okay. Now we finish with the glue. This one is glue here. This one needs a little bit of glue here. And that's it. Isn't that fun and easy? Let me put clear paper down so you can see it. 1 and 2. Two different styles, even though are flowers. This one is more colorful. This one is like more neutral or more vintage. But this one is beautiful as a belly band. It can be beautiful as a cluster in a page, just in a page, or if you do the cover. Let me see. Let me get this. Let's say that this is your journal or album. Isn't that cute? You put something else on the back. I just love it. So those are my cluster belly bands. I hope you like it. I hope you make it. If you make it, please, please, please share with me. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for keeping me company and see you soon. Bye-bye.